Getting lost on your way is alright as long as you have a map with you in your backpack. Hello everyone, this video is all about how the things are gonna play out once this hackathon starts going. Just a glimpse of what is waiting for you all on the other side. I'm not saying this is the map, but in reality, a small piece of it. Up until now, we were waiting for all the participants to join us, and now it is time to share some details. Basically, Covihack'21 is a 48-hour long hackathon. This means you will start working on your project ideas from 28th of May itself and work upon them. You can choose from several tracks given on our website. Blockchain, artificial intelligence, these are all there for you to pick from. After this, there will be 3 mentor sessions and 2 judgment rounds. In mentor session 1, you will be asked to share your ideas with your mentors. This is the crucial step. If the start of an idea is great, the impact can be greater. If approved, you will start working for mentor session 2, wherein you will have to showcase a small prototype of working project for your idea. This is the part where the things get alive and get going in this hackathon. And if the mentors love your progress, you will then have your first judges evaluation, where the progress of your idea and your working prototype will be considered.
After this, a select number of teams will be shortlisted and they will have the mentor session 3, where they can ask doubts or review feedbacks from their team mentors. Last will be your final judges evaluation that will require your presentation plus complete working prototype for your project idea. You will be evaluated accordingly. The most important rule is that your ideas should be fresh. That is, the project must not be used in the past events. You have to work on the entire project and idea from scratch during the course of hackathon itself.